Good morning. Good morning, ma. India location relief and drainage. Match the following. Chapter 2 match the following. We have 5 match the following question answer. First we are writing only the questions. We are going to find the answer for this side. First Sango. A Sango we discussed in the classrooms. What is the meaning of Sango? You know the Sango, the river. River Brahmaputra in Tibet. River Brahmaputra in Tibet. Tibet. This is the answer. Sango River. Sango, the river Brahmaputra in river. You know, we are calling the Brahmaputra is a river. We are calling the river Brahmaputra in India, but at the same time, the river Brahmaputra so originate from the Tibetan plateaus, from the Manasarovar lake, and rivers are calling by the Tibetans Sango. They called this river by Tibetan. On Tibet, Sango. The Sango is a river name. It is called by Tibetan. So the river, Sango is a river. Brahmaputra in Tibet called by, called Sango by the Tibetans. The second, Yamuna. Yamuna is one of the tributary rivers of Ganga. We are finding answer. Tributary river of Ganga, tributary river of Ganga. You know, Yamuna is one of the tributary of Ganga. In this Yamuna rivers, you know, what is the meaning of tributary? I told you what is the meaning of tributary. The tributaries means small streams that which contribute the water to their main streams are called tributary. So the Yamuna is one of the stream. It's one of the river. In the rivers contributing their water to the main river Ganga. That's why it's called as tributary river of Ganga. Tributary river of Ganga. Yamuna river. We can write the answer to opposite tributary river of Ganga. And come to third question. New alluvium. New alluvium. You know the new alluvium. The dash plains are formed by older alluvium. We discussed in choose the correct answer. What is the answer? Vankar. Vankar formed by the older alluvium. Vankar plains are formed by the older alluvium. Here the new alluviums formed dash plains. Here Vankar. Vankar new means Kodar. Kodar plains are formed by newer alluvium. We discussed already when we are discussed Ganga plain. At the time we discussed this. And fourth importance, very important question is Mount Godwin. Mount Godwin, southern part of East Austin. Southern part of East Austin. East Austin is simply called K2. The K2 we already discussed in classroom. In the K2 second highest peak in the world after Mount Everest. You know what is the exact height of the Mount Everest? 8,848 meters. 8,848 meters. This is the highest peak in the world. Highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. But Mount Godwin Austen height is 8,611 meters. 611 11 meters, 8,611 meters. Only a slide, only one around the 170 meters. Only the difference between these two. You know the Mount Garbin. Garbin is simply called a K2. Mount Garbin Hastings, simply called K2, second highest peak in the world after Everest, and not only that, is the number one highest peak in India. Number one highest peak, highest peak in India. We can say answer is Garbin Hastings, simply called K2. But the entire part, I mean the Mount Hastings, Mount Garbin Hastings are situated in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Pakistan occupied Kashmir between the Baltistan and Gilgit Baltistan. It is occupied by Pakistan from 1970s. So until 1970, but we have no, the place is not controlled by India, it controlled by Pakistan, but southern part of East Hastings are controlled still by the Indian Army. That's why we are calling Mount Garbin Hastings 8,611 meters of height. So Mount Garbin, southern part of East Hastings, K2 is the answer, is the highest peak in India. Highest peak in India. What is the height? What is the height of this mountains? Already I told it. 8,611 meter. 8,611 meter height. And finally Coromandel Coast. You know the Coromandel Coast is the coastal area situated between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal Sea. Coromandel Coast is always called as a Coromandel Coast. Coromandel Coast. In the coast also already we divided into two parts. The north part is called as the Northern Sarkar, and southern part is called as the Coromandel Coast. It is a coastal plain situated in the near Asia. Here, and the answer of the Coromandel Coast is a coastal plain. Coastal plain. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you very much to all my students. Copy this.